Hello and welcome to Calyx Learning. My name is Rahul. I'm going to show you how to convert this data range into a table in Excel. So we have this small data range which has column titles as names, units sold and revenue. Click anywhere in this data range, go to insert, click on table and you get a small window which says create table. And you will also observe that your data range is selected. You click on OK, it converts the data range into a table. Best part of working with data tables is it automatically converts any text which is typed near the table into the table. I type per unit cost, it automatically adds into the table. Now we calculate per unit cost in this first cell. After putting the formula, as I press enter, it automatically calculates in the whole column. So this is about converting a data range into a table and doing a calculation in the column. Thanks for watching this video and keep watching Calyx Learning and also subscribe our YouTube channel Calyx Learning. Thank you so much.